What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. The next coyote swap is here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. No, I'm just kidding. Totally just kidding. We're doing white GT things today. I've got some answers to a lot of questions for you. Let's go. Alright guys, so a couple uploads back, you saw we were fighting a horrible misfire on the 88 GT, and could not figure it out. Basically ran the gamut of everything, replacing everything, trying to figure it out. After that, it ended up being, because it had old gas in it and the timing was off and it was a first start, the plugs were fouled so bad that they just could not recover. So threw some fresh plugs in it and the car runs great. Just try to get the timing and everything else lined out, but it's there, y'all. Let's see. And sorry, yeah, we have nothing at all. Okay, anyway, we're gonna jump this thing off, fire it up, take this thing for a drive and see how that new TFS top end kit, see how she feels. Guys, we are still waiting on the mass air meter. If you saw the other upload, we had one for an SN95. We've got the Fox style mass air flow coming. It should be here anytime, but not gonna hurt anything to drive it. All right guys, so real quick, this is after trying to clean them off, but you can see they were just, and these are brand new plugs, clearly Autolite 3924s, but they just, it wasn't going to happen. This is after quite a bit of brake clean. And so some fresh plugs in there with the fresh gas and everything else, the timing set right. She's doing good. All right, boys, before we get the car out, just wanted to give you a quick update. The Turbo On 3 93 GT build is coming along really well. Just been kind of putting her together here. Valve covers on, got the injector harness on, about to start bolting the upper on. We're waiting on the spacer. That's kind of been the hold up. Yeah, guys, you'll see this happening with the other GT about done. We can get started on this GT as well, and we'll be dropping that engine in first. Well, not first, but shortly. So stay tuned for turbo noises. All right, boys, we're gonna jump this dude off.
For some reason.
Yeah, for some reason. Battery is basically new. Guys, if you did not see the review I did on this thing, it's actually pretty awesome. From a Adu, and it works. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, check them out. You can find these on Amazon. Try not to hit the brand new A9L there. The very first drive. And it's freezing cold, y'all. Let's see what we got here. Not bad. This thing is stout.
Way better than last time.
Oh yeah. Man, it pulls great. Oh, we got no heat, no. I guess we'll just go freeze on this ride. Super smooth. Transmission shifting great. I think we got us a winner.
Hated, huh?
Alright, boy. We'll make a little bit of a hit here. Oh! Nothing like dry rotted tires and cold pavement. Runs good though. Yeah. Not bad at all. Super solid little combo.
Like that speed off.
boys, it's official. She's officially laying rubber in posi. Not bad at all. Yes, it's cold and I'm standing on the side of the road. This is what I do for you guys to bring you video content. Oh, here he comes again. She's a runner, boys. Love it.
Yeah, it's kind of like the brakes are kind of shitty and then my feet are kind of too big, but yeah, I couldn't really get on the brake.
Oh man, runs good. Not sure if this car's got a gear. Do we know?
It feels like it.
It feels like it may have a gear. But it pulls great. I mean, it's, like I said, complete TFS top end kit, guys. Proven combo time and again. This is a fun little car for sure. Very nice. I tell you, he's gonna need some tire on this thing. It feels like we got something kind of, maybe some bushings on the control arms at the back, but whew, fun car.
Yeah, fun.
Definitely a fun car. There you go, guys. As you can see, it's running really good. It does still have kind of an idle issue when it goes into open loop. It wants to hunt and surge a little bit, and it's kind of sitting up high at the moment, but running absolutely freaking fantastic. Now, as soon as I say that, it's going to hunt and surge.
It's decent.
Yeah. Feels great, guys. Again, it's just trick flow top end. Cam is a TFS stage 1. Not sure if there's a gear in it, but yeah, makes great power. Runs 100%. There's night and day difference than it was before.
Are you smoking?
Yeah, no smoke. I mean, the engine's super tight. Transmission feels amazing. You got a winner, dude. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it on this one. Again, we need the Foxbody mass airflow sensor, and then we connect the this little cold air kit that he bought. But man, she's back alive, guys. I'm telling you, if you go back and watch the video when I first introduced it to you, and it was covered in moss, and you know, it was stock, the engine smoked, the trans was done. I mean, this car has come so far, and you know, I got a little bit of flack because I kind of dogged the car, but again, you know, what I said in that video was you can still save them. Put some time in, put some work in. You know, if you get a Fox body in this condition for a good price, do it. I hear something. Sounds like a coyote. But anyway, guys, yeah. Yeah. There it is right there. I think that's Ken. There you go, guys. Talk about another one saved. I'm sure we'll see this one again. He's gonna need some other projects. I think we're being stalked.
What? Hey, you come to race this.
Yeah, he come to race the Camaro. All right, boys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, trick flow top end kit, you cannot go wrong with this kit. That proven time and again, fantastic, makes great power, and you know, again, another Fox body save. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully soon, well, very soon, we're going to be dropping the On3 turbo kit engine back in the 93 GT, and we've got to get to work on some of the Coyote swaps, and we've got F100 stuff, and I do, next upload, have an update on the 2017 Lightning build. Sorry for the wind, guys, and it's freezing out here, so if I got a booger or anything, whatever. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'm going to go inside and get warm. Later.